Greetings of the day. Let's continue our next topic, flower. Flower is the most attractive and reproductive part of the plant. A huge variety of flowers of different sizes, colors, texture, fragrance and shapes are found in nature. Lotus, jasmine, rose and lily are some examples of flowers. Now, let's see parts of a flower. A flower is attached to the stem by a stalk called pedicel. The uppermost part of the pedicel is a swollen structure called thalamus. Other parts of flower are arranged in rings or whorls on the thalamus. Sepals are green leaf-like parts in the outermost circle of a flower. They protect the flower in the bud stage. Petals are brightly colored leaf-like structures present inside the sepals. Different flowers have petals of different colors. The color and scent of the petals attract insects towards the flower. Within the petals, there are long, thin and thread-like structures called stamens. These are male reproductive part of a flower. Each stamen consists of a thin green stalk called filament with a bag-like top called anther. The anther carries several pollen grains. Pollen grains are dust-like particles and take part in reproduction. A flask-shaped structure present in the center of the flower is called pistil or carpel. It is the female reproductive part of flower consisting of three parts: style, stigma and ovary. Stigma. It is small, round and sticky part of the carpel located at the top of the style. Its function is to trap the pollen grains that fall on it. Style is the long stalk which connects the stigma to the ovary. Ovary is the swollen end at the base of pistil. It contains female reproductive cells called ovules. Flowers are developed into fruits and form seeds by the process of pollination. So, what is pollination? The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or another flower of the same kind by agents such as wind, water or insects such as bees, butterflies is called pollination. After pollination, the ovules change into seeds and the ovary of the flower grows and develops into a fruit. Fruit is a useful part of a plant. A fruit is a ripened ovary which contains seeds inside it. A fruit is generally made up of a fruit wall and seeds. Now let's see functions of fruit. Fruits store food in them. They protect seeds and keep them safe.